Hi everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day with friends and family and that today was better than yesterday. First and foremost, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. That way the overlords know that we're here. Elsa's coming. Elsa's coming today. I don't foresee a lot of damage being done. Getting my walk in early today. Already moved all the stuff out of the patio and the balcony. You can hear something in the background. It's last minute trimming going on by some people. I don't know if I can get it. Hopefully I was able to catch that. Go back home, have some breakfast. Since I started doing the Eat Stop Eat, lost 4 pounds already. You know, half of it's gonna be probably water. 3/4 to half water. I'll take that. But see if I can catch them. Can't see the jets, but you hear them. That's the sound of freedom. Anyway, gotta hit the gym later on today. Some cardio, some math training, and I'll hit you guys back when I'm done with the gym. So later. Well, I got a call from the gun store. There was a discrepancy in my paperwork from something I purchased a month ago. So I gotta go over there and fix it, update the address. So I'm heading that way. Of course I'm heading that way, and Elsa is coming my way. Those guys are called me and said, hey, you know, at your earliest convenience, please come. But you know, I know what that means, and if there's anything wrong with gun paperwork, better take care of it quick. I don't want knocks on my door. So heading over there now, take care of that paperwork, and talk to you guys when you're done. I mean, when I'm... Well, heading to the gun store. Got a call from them saying that there was a discrepancy on my paperwork, and I gotta go for something I bought a month ago, so I'm heading over there to fix that. They were very polite. They said, hey, you know, at your earliest convenience, swing by. But I know what that means. So if there are discrepancies in whatever paperwork they provide, well, gotta head to the gun store. Heading to the gun store while Elsa's heading my way. They called and they said that there was a discrepancy with my paperwork, and that I need to go fix it. So I'm on my way to fix it. Well, heading to the gun store. They called, they were very polite. They said that there was a discrepancy with my paperwork. So I'm heading that way to fix it, as Elsa is coming my way. They were very polite. They said that, you know, Mr. Prosero, Well, had a call from the gun store saying that there was some discrepancies with my paperwork for something I purchased a month ago. So I'm heading there now to fix it, square it away. As Elsa, it's making its way here. Whenever there's a discrepancy with your gun paperwork, go fix it. They were very polite. They did say, at your earliest convenience, please come. But I know what that means, and I don't want any knocks on my door. You know what I mean, regarding a gun purchase. So heading there now, and I shall talk to you when I'm done.